You got scared, little nigga. Listen, man. We're gonna do the drip airdrop. You get me? So, let me just. So, first of all, you wanna go to drip.house. So, it's obviously not houses in house, right? So, I know it looks like a bit of a scam link, but it's not. Trust me, okay? As much as I look like a scammer, I'm not a scammer. But you can verify yourself. We got the Twitter from Drip themselves. They're verified. Okay, they're a business. Drip.house, yeah? You go on their link, right, on their Twitter page and also follow them because if you don't follow them, you won't get updated. Official website. By the way, just before we start, yeah, this is not. Maybe it's an airdrop, maybe it's not. That's all I have to say, yeah? I'm not saying, oh yeah, I'm not one of those niggas on YouTube like, oh my god, guys, 10k, 10k. Nah. Okay, so what I do is go on official website, yeah. Don't use their free code, yeah. Use mine if you want to support me. Go on official website, click on that, yeah. Then you connect to your Phantom wallet, all right. I got my burner. You just connect. Oh yeah, drop it. Damn, my nigga, I'm at -6, fam. I'm in debt. But anyways, obviously when you log in, it's not gonna look like this. It's gonna look like, you need to put in your. I think you have to just connect your wallet. Uh, put a username, like put any username in it that you like to put in, and then after that, just like put a code. There's a code, yes. And I'm gonna give you guys my code. It's gonna be in the description or in the pinned comment, yeah. And then after that, it should log you in. When you log in, you should have like 0 droplets, right? Or something like that. It doesn't matter. But anyways, the main thing is there's things that you have to do, right? To potentially get this airdrop if it does happen in the future. Because it's pretty quick anyways. You go on claim. So you click on here. You click on this on your profile. You click on claim your droplets. And then it will give you like every 6 hours, it will give you droplets in it. Flipping out. I keep getting 8, bro. Taking the piss. But anyways, look, so now I'm not in debt no more. But if you go over here, it did say every 6 hours in it. So now it's got a timer for 6 hours. So you could just collect it every time 6 hours, 6 hours. Keep doing that. I think the more interactions, obviously, with blockchains in it, and like with the dApps and stuff like this, obviously the more rewards you'll get. So you click on this on your profile. You go on profile itself, and after that you can see these are all the NFTs that I have in it. And you go to obviously you change your name or whatever you need to do, and then after that you see this profile picture. Go to your vault, click the okay, so you go to your vault. I'm such a dumbass. And then after that you see this 3 dot thing. It's so tiny, bro. Why are they making it so tiny? Okay, click on so you just click on that, innit? Oh, what's that? What did I get? Oh, but that looks nice actually. Might as well get that. So you got this and you set as profile picture. The reason why I say this is because it doesn't make you look like a bot, innit? It makes you look like you actually, not even look like, you are actually interacting and you're actually genuinely, in this stuff. So that's why I would say do that, right? And then after that, after you've done that, yeah, you go to the chest. You click on the chest and it's called legendary lock-in. Basically, you just click on power and it will unlock this thing, and it's really sick. I like the art as well. And then you basically just move your character towards the chest, and then yeah, see, I got flipping rugged. But anyways, yeah, you just keep doing that every day in it. I think it's every 24 hours or something like that. So if I click out like this and then I click there, yeah, you get a legendary or a rare basically for a showcase drop, right? So you get a reward for it if you get a legendary. And then if you get a rare, which is what happened to me many times before, you need to get a legendary right after so you can get the legendary. Or you can get the legendary instantly in it without the rare. So that's why. But anyways, yeah, that's all you basically have to do. You do that every day in it. And sometimes you'll see over here on sponsored collectible, right? Sometimes one of the collectibles that you hold, or let's say there's like an event done with like Drip, like collaboration with Drip, right? You just claim free collectible and then it will run this thing right here. And then after that you'll get something. Please give me a legend! Okay. Start farming GMRX. It's a good idea to go onto the website, obviously check it in just in case. But obviously most likely they won't send you to some scam link. That's kind of messed up. But yeah, You just do that, and then you just get into also gaming is a good one too. But anyways, yeah, you just do that, innit? And then that's it. You're done. You just keep subscribing to people that you actually like. Don't subscribe to people that you don't like, bro. Like their art. So, and also some of these, there's one I think called Pyth, right? Yeah, Pyth. This is a really good one. I don't know if they're gonna reward you, innit? Because Pyth is a network by itself, so I don't know if they'll reward you. Also, one thing I just realized, you wanna thank, right? I know it sounds crazy, but you know, I got two droplets only, and I'm broke as hell, but I'll send two. So you send like it doesn't matter whatever choice you want, right? You send two, and then you can put your Twitter. I'll put my Twitter over here, and I'll just say, I love Pyth. Obviously, say something less dry in it, but I love Pyth network, right? And I love the what was it? It's like Greece inspired ancient Greece inspired artwork, right? And after that, you send it. I think if you like write a custom message like this, I feel like it's obviously it's more better, right? But also it sets you apart from everyone else instead of just sending it like that, right? Because it does say optional, but obviously if you do optional stuff on a blockchain, I've seen many times that you get rewarded for it. So obviously just do that, and you just press submit, and you're done. And you see perks. Obviously, there's top 15 thankers receive guaranteed legendary. This goes with every artist as well. They tend to do this as well. So if I just go to like, let's say Gaiman, which is sponsored right now. Oh, okay. It doesn't let me. You just go to like, let's say any artist. Like this one's actually pretty nice. Oh yeah, this guy. Yeah, this is really good. So let's say this artist, right? Top 2,000 thankers receive a guaranteed rare and like stuff like that. They have this, right? So if you want to thank people. But the thing is, sometimes obviously you won't stack up too much. Like I'm broke right now, so what you want to do is you purchase these droplets. Obviously, it's optional, completely optional. You don't have to get it, right? But I feel like the more you buy these, the more it sets you apart once again for the airdrop, if there is gonna be one. So that's why. The reason why I say if there is gonna be one is that I think they're hinting towards the airdrop. Maybe when NFTs come back in the Solana space, maybe we'll see it. A token being made, TGE being announced, and all that stuff. So yeah, that's all you have to do for this drip. And I'll send my invite code because you can only get through make an account with the invite code. So that's why. All right. So also obviously refer other people. So you click on your profile, press invites. You click on invites and it will give you an invite. All right. One time use invite code. So one lucky nigga is gonna get one. Yep. All right. And one last thing is the quests, right? So on the quests, obviously I'm like flipping level 0 or something. Yeah, level 7, level 1, sorry. So for this, I seen it already. If you search up drip, they got a layer 3. Um, what's it called? Layer 3. The I don't even know what it's called. The quest, sorry, is right there, fam. What the hell's wrong with me? Yeah, so the quest here. You do that, obviously that's once again going to set you apart, and it's going to make you get more tokens, allocated more tokens, because you're more unique, right? You're more genuine. Obviously we're genuine, so yeah, that's what you do. After that, yeah, that's it. But this is obviously pure speculation, innit? So I just wanted to make that clear. But if you do end up doing this for like every day, this could be potentially really good for you. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna link my Telegram for my calls, my the airdrops that I'm gonna do. Obviously, I post airdrops on the Telegram group before I post it on YouTube because it's way faster that way. And that's it. That's all I have to say. Follow my Twitter and everything like that. I'm a soul glazer. I loved Solana since 2021, bro. Everyone been beating the crap out of Solana, but I was still there, man. So yeah, man. I'll be talking about meme coins, everything about Solana ecosystem, because I hate Ethereum. I'm not paying them fees, alright? But other than that, just follow my Twitter, when Benjii, and I'll put my Telegram and everything like that in the description. And that's it. That's all I have to say. Peace. Take care, man.